How's it going? I'm Jared from the Start House. Today we're talking about the Liv road bike series. Today we have the Avail Advanced Pro here. This is the women's, what we'd call an endurance bike, a little more upright, a little more comfortable than, say, a race bike. This bike here comes hydraulic disc brakes, carbon frame, carbon fork, all Ultegra. This bike, super dialed, nice and light, 3750, gets you a really comfortable, lightweight, high performance road bike for ladies. Again, this is the Avail Advanced Pro from Liv.